Good morning, Mr. Wonderful here. So, today is a Greek coin. I got these from my friends that work on the market. So what happened in 1992? Let me think back. I think the events from 1992 in the UK this year was the Ruby Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II. This year is notable for the fourth term general election victory for the Conservative Party. Sorry about that. Black Wednesday, the suspension of the UK's membership of the European Exchange Rate Mechanism, and an annus horribilis for the royal family. Whatever that means, I don't know. There you go, annus horribilis. Not horrible, horribilis for the royal family. Anyway, enough chit-chat, let's get down to some action. These coins, I like these coins. They really come up nice. So first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. And, yes, where is my top bit? There it is. All right, I'm going to clean this table up soon, Bear. Jesus, man, if you could see it, you'd laugh. I'm not going to show you because it's just crazy, man. Bloody glass and stuff everywhere. Right, half-inch punch. We go over to our little darling. Oh, God, let's just change this over a bit. That was from yesterday's video. Oh, I had to do the old famous Swedish wrap. Right. This is Big Bertha. It's a 20-ton hydraulic press. You don't need one of these. I mean, some of the big coins you need it for Swedish wraps and stuff, but you can bang it through with a hammer, not a normal hammer. Or you'll damage this, the top part. A brass hammer or nylon hammer. Hope you're doing well, Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan. How you doing, Alan? I ain't had much from you late, mate. Hope you're well. Paul from Australia, Steve, Claire and Joseph. Right. Pardon me. So, you want to deburr it with a Christy burr. Just want to clean up that edge. Look at it, it's a bit sad. It ain't too bad. There you go. So, let's show a bit of love and affection. Love and affection. Was that Joan Armour Trading? I think we've been there before, haven't we? Alright, that's pretty damn good, if you ask me. Cha-cha-cha. Right, let's dry it off. And look over to our little doming block that we like. Now, I usually do this side, I think. But I think this might be nice. You've got loads of hair there. Yeah, okay, let's do that. So this will be sunny side up on the ring. So we flip it over. It's all clever stuff, isn't it? I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that little button for me. You can comment, you know, guys and girls. Leave a comment, say something, speak to me. Come on. If you've got any ideas you'd like me to do, besides bugger off, I mean, you can say that anyway, but you know. Right, here we go. So now I want one of these. That's good. Let's give it a bit of a wipe round inside. A bit of jollop makes things slide a bit easier. Another beautiful day here today. Right, I'll go over to Big Red. Give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie. Beautiful. Clean bit of kitchen roll. It's nice, isn't it? It's got a bit of nice clean piece of kitchen roll. Right. There you go. So, I'm getting low on the old kitchen roll. I'm out of it. I'm going to go and buy some more. I'm still trying to use bits that I've got. Right. Had a bit of a malfunction there with the camera. Right. We're back. We're back with Spike. It's a ring stretcher. And guess what it does? Yeah, you guessed right. Sometimes the coin cuts the kitchen roll. It's a bit sharp. Like that bit. It's going to be easy. Is it going to split? No, I don't think so. It just got very, very easy. And that usually means it's going to split, or it's splitting. Or it has split, but at the moment we're looking good. We're still looking good. Well, at least I'm not going to have to use a Swedish strap for this one, Bear. Still got a bow in it. Oh no. I'm not Swedish wrapping this one. Unless I have to. I've had enough Swedish wraps for a little one. You just want to get that bow out of it. God, no. No more Swedish wraps, please. Right, let's warm it up a bit more. Getting a bit tight. Right. I think that will do. I'll go back to Bertha, just dry it off a bit. Yeah, I'm desperate for kitchen roll. Send me some kitchen roll, Bear, quick. God for that. It's now looking cone-shaped-ish. I can go a bit more. This is going to be another big ring. We all like a big ring, don't we? Come on, stop it. I think that's the limit. Let's have a look. Go a bit more. I can find a bit more kitchen room. There's a bit. Right, a couple more pumps and we should be there. There you go. Perfect. See? It's more cone shaped now. There's no bow in it, which is what we want. So, what we're going to do now, we go into the arse end of spike, and we're going to have to use the Big Daddy. Come out. God. What's going on here? Bloody hell's bells. Right. What's going on? What's it all about? Right, let's chuck in the big one. Big Daddy. I just want one that's showing a little bit, not a lot. There's a little bit there. I could start with that one. Then I can change to this one if I have to. Bit of drop in there, makes things move around a bit easier. Nice and square. A bit more. There's a bit more left on this one. Now we'll go over to this one. These are just reducing dies. This is how I make a ring smaller. Like if you wanted a ring out of my shop and you wanted it a different size, you wanted it smaller, I'd use this little gadget. If you wanted it bigger, I'd go back up to spike again. There you go. Straight walls. Right. I think we're going to have to use Christy Burr again. There's not much of a lip in there. It looks like there is, but yeah, you can grab it with your nail, so let's get rid of it. I think I need to put a new blade in Christy Burr soon. Right, let's take out Felton and we're sticking Kate. We just want to get the fire scale off it, clean it up a bit. It ain't looking too shabby. Right. In the groove, baby, in the groove. Right, let's put in Felton John. And, where did I put the polish yesterday? The polish could be anywhere. Oh, there it is. Look, the lid is still on. And we'll put it on again. That lid's got to disappear sooner or later. Right, here we go. Like very warm. So, if you're new to the channel or you just come across me by mistake, thank you for sticking it out this long. If you want to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. Whack that, and stuff happens. And you'll be subscribed. You can send me your own coins if you want. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's stuff in there besides rings. Right, what have we got? We've got something a bit gorgeous, I think. Yeah. So if you're from Greece, or you know somebody that's from Greece, they used to make great gifts, you know. If you can get their ring size, I'll make them a nice ring. Film the whole process, talk about them, how they come to get their ring made, and they've got that for a keepsake. Because when I'm dead and gone, these videos will still be there. Alright, let's break out the green goddess. There she is. Try to escape. Right. There you go. That's why I used the kitchen roll on the inside. You got all the detail. I don't think I've done one this side, face up. But yeah, it's not too bad. You've got plenty of hair there. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It's quite nice. What size we got? Is it 12, 12 and a half? Aha, wait a minute. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I did deburr it. So this is a 12. Look at that. 12, just over 12 and a half, nearly 12 and 3/4. So I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. It fits this finger perfectly. So, tomorrow, try and help somebody. An old lady or an old man. Make their day. Say good morning or hello. Do you need help across the road? You know, stuff like that. That's about it, really. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. Thank you all. And behave yourselves. So bye-bye.